All right, so this is the steak. Prepping it for right now. This will last me for about 4 days, maybe 5, because I eat 2 a day. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and use both of these seasonings today. It's my favorite seasoning so far. So this little diet right here is really expensive. Cost me like roughly around $150 for all this, but I don't eat nothing else in between. Maybe eat this with some rice, throw some vegetables in there. So they say we don't got time to eat healthy, but I don't know what they're talking about. Boom. And in the long run, like, you might not want to pay for food a lot or cook and stuff like that, but in the long run, it's going to make sense. Like the stomach that I had, the stomach that I did have did go down a lot, because I used to have a big stomach because I was only eating everything in the truck stop. And then I was eating a bunch of crap. I wasn't paying attention. Now I'm only eating like once a day. Well, twice if I'm eating 2 steaks. Okay, I'm going to try this on maybe 2 of them. Now, if I want a snack, I got these. Pack up some for like 3 days. Get that out the way. Now with the steak, I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Okay, I don't like this one at all. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up, eat it with the steak as well. And then I got, normally at night, I'll probably eat like 2 or 3 of these. And then we got some of these. I'll probably eat like 2 of these a day, or maybe 1 when they're ready. I like them when they're soft. So that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. Prepping with Dan. Let's get it.